There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody Jailbreak in B5 Blue with bifunction HID projector headlamps, competition suspension, blind spot and rear cross path detection, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 2,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, Dodge SRT performance pages, surround sound, remote start system, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number JW1001.